Hello everyone. Today we're going to be showing you how we made this delicious stuffed tilapia.
Food Fashionistas!
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making stuffed and grilled tilapia. You will need half of a tomato, half a lemon, half an onion, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 garlic clove, and a little bit of olive oil. To start, we have to clean up the fish by removing the fins. Next, cut half of the lemon and sprinkle it over the fish. Rub the lemon in and don't forget the inside of the fish. Crush the garlic clove with a pestle and mortar. Add in the pepper, salt and coriander to make a paste. Then add in the olive oil. Now let's start stuffing the fish. Place the foil on the pan. Place the fish on top of the foil and start stuffing. Start with the paste. Rub in the paste for flavour. Now start stuffing it with the onion and tomato. And now the lemon. Now wrap the fish with the foil. And turn on the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the fish from the oven. Gently unwrap the fish from the foil. And pop it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, fish should be done. We're going to serve it with some salad.